Good evening and Jai Hind. We will start with third chapter, Our Changing Earth. The Earth crust consists of several large and some small, rigid and irregular shaped plates which carry ocean and continent flow. These are called lithospheric plates. These plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. This is because of the molten magma inside the earth. These magma moves in a circular manner. The movement of these plates changes on surface of the earth. The earth movement are divided on the basis of forces which causes them. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. And the forces work on the surface of the earth are exogenic forces. First, we will discuss endogenic forces. Endogenic force produce sometimes sudden movement and other time produce slow movement. Sudden movement like earthquake and volcanoes cause mass destruction over the surface of the earth. Volcano. A volcano is a vent, the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Similarly, when the lithospheric plate moves, the surface of the earth vibrates. These vibrations can travel all around the earth and these vibrations are called earthquake. The place where the earth movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Greatest damage usually closest to the epicenter and strength of an earthquake decreases away from the center. Vibration travels outwards from the epicenter as waves, although earthquake cannot be predicting. Impact can be certainly be minimized if we are prepared before that. Some common earthquake predictions methods adopted by people locally including studying animal behavior, like fish in the pond get agitated and a snake comes to the surface. Measurement of earthquake. Earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of earthquake measured on Richter scale. An earthquake of 2.0 or less can be considered as micro, and earthquake over 5.0 can cause damage for things falling. 6.0 or higher magnitude is considered very strong and 7.0 is classified as major earthquake. There are three types of earthquake waves. First one is P wave or the longitudinal waves. Second is S wave or transfer waves. And third is L waves or the